Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is anticipated to open on a positive note, supported by a rally in the Asian markets and strong net buying by the FIIs in the domestic equities. There is optimism that the newly appointed RBI governor, chosen by the government, may implement favorable monetary policies to spur economic growth. To start with our first segment for Tuesday, 10th of December 2024, Nifty index opened on a negative note and showed volatility within a range of 100 points during the first half of the session. In the later part of the day, the index moved sideways, showing limited momentum and a lack of clear direction. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily frame and closed with losses of around 60 points. India VIX was marginally down near 14 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.90. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,100 to 25,000 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,300 to 24,800. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 724 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,648 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio increased to 44.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,500 for an up move towards 24,850 marks, while support can be seen at 24,400. Talking about Bank Nifty, this index has to hold above 53,250 for the next up move towards its previous lifetime high of 54,467 zones, while on the downside, support can be seen at 53,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Angel One, Dr. Lal Path, Max Healthcare, Wipro, Jindal Steel, and HAL. While some weakness could be seen in Godrej Consumer Products, PVR Inox, Marico, Tata Consumer, Havells, IDFC First Bank, Asian Paints, and Britannia. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.